Are you afraid of accumulating debt while building and growing your business? Also, do you even know that you don't have to use your own money to grow your business? Today, I would like to ensure you that debt or other people's money, if used properly, can multiply your business and grow it exponentially. Contrary to what regular people might think, actually, investors or wealthy people, they do prefer to use other people's money. And one of the interesting example I can think of is Elon Musk. When he had to buy Twitter for $40 billion, he went and get a loan for $13 billion to buy Twitter. But at this time, guess what? It was worth $219 billion. You will think, wait a second, why he just use 40 billion from that $219 billion just to buy it so he doesn't have to worry about paying back much in interest? Let's illustrate this simple concept of using other people to grow your business or build your wealth by using the simple concept of home mortgage equity that many wealthy investors use to build their empire in the real estate business. So home equity equals the value of the property at that time minus the mortgage debt that you have on the property. Let's say you have a real estate deal that you made when you buy a house for $100. Few years later, this house appreciates for $200. So let's look at two scenarios in which one, you pay cash out of pocket for the $100 with your own finances, and the second scenario where you use other people's money, a bank or a loan, you went and borrow $80 to finance the $100 and you put only $20 out of your pocket. Let's see what option can generate you more money. For the first scenario, to determine how much equity you have, it's pretty simple. The $200 minus the $100 that you put in the house. As a matter of fact, you double your investment just by fully pay that money, which is not a bad deal, right? Wait a second. Let's look at the second scenario and see if it will be a better deal. Now, for the second scenario, in case you bought the house for $100 and it appreciated a few years later to $200, you have put $20 as a deposit or down payment on it, and you have used $80 as loan or debt. Then guess what? Your now home equity equal the $200 minus only the $80. So you still keep the $20 down deposit as home equity, which gets you a total of $120 of your $20 investment. Wow. To recap, you invest $100 and you get $100 back. Contrarily, if you invest only $20, you have more home equity, which is $120. 6 times the $20 you invest in the home. As you can see, using debt or other people's money can be a very powerful tool that can help you in your business journey, especially if you want to do things big. And as a commercial real estate broker, I can tell you this is one of the secret sauce of the wealthy people when it comes to invest in real estate. Not only you can generate cash flow from renting the house, but also you can count on appreciation to double or quadruple your money. Here you have it. I hope this video will have provided you some good clarity and some motivation to go out there to get that loan, invest in this business, make sure you're properly using debt to generate more income and grow your business. If you still need help to get your business going and you're still hesitant, please don't hesitate to check our website, Elbosobosando, where you can contact us. Under the service tab, you can request our service just by clicking on business creation so we can guide you through the process. Also, if you found some value in this video, give us a like and share it with other people so we can help more people. Thank you. I'll see you next time.